Alright, welcome back everyone. Today is a little bit different of a video. Once again, I'm out in the garden. I just wanted to show you guys this garlic that I planted about the same time last year, so July of 2019. And I think it actually went dormant then. It didn't really start growing until November. So November was when I was really supposed to plant it. And if you plant it then it will mature by June and be ready to harvest. So how you can tell if it's ready to harvest, you're going to see there's some, most of the leaves will still be green, but you'll have some yellow ones on the bottom. And yes, so you want to pull it out right now. You don't want to wait until the whole thing turns yellow, because the cloves will not be able to store for as long. So I'm just gonna pull this up, and I believe, and as you can see, there's have the bulb right here. There's a little bit of, I don't know if you can see here, but there's a little bit of separation between the cloves. You could run your finger and feel a divot there. It looks pretty healthy underneath. So I'm just gonna take it inside and let it dry out a little bit in an open space for, I believe, most people say about 3 weeks. So that way it'll have better flavor and it will be able to keep for longer. As far as the maintenance goes for this, once you plant it in November, since it's likely going to be raining a lot in your area, you really do not need to take care of it at all. Just make sure that it is planted in a good soil. Here's a view of it with a more still camera. So yeah, I forgot to mention before that when you plant it, you only plant one clove in the ground. You leave the skin on and then just stick it about an inch below the surface of the dirt. And make sure that the top of the clove is facing up. So you can imagine that it's very easy to grow garlic, because each garlic bulb produces about 10, 6, maybe 6 to 10 cloves. And so that means when you go to grow garlic just with that one bulb, you're going to have 6 to 10 new garlic plants, which will be 6 new bulbs. So very easy to grow, very sustainable, and overall I think I'm going to try to do this again coming up in November. So maybe I'll do a little video on that. So I let the garlic hang in the kitchen in a shaded place that had plenty of air circulation. I kept the green part attached until it dried up, because apparently it transfers flavor to the bulb while it's still green. The garlic turned out really well after 3 weeks. The bulb resembled one from the store, but it looked much more vigorous and fresh. The flavor was really good. It was super mild, not very spicy. And also, the clove did not have that green sort of stem part running down the middle, which can sometimes be bitter. Again, this is a really easy food to grow, and I hope you give it a try. I'll see you in the next video.